A healthy engine sounds smooth and consistent. But if your car starts making these sounds, you might have an engine misfire. Listen for sputtering or popping from your exhaust. It sounds like the engine is coughing and can't catch its breath. Feel that? A misfire can make your car shake and sound like an out-of-sync washing machine when you're stopped. When you press the gas, does it hesitate or stumble instead of accelerating smoothly? That's a classic sign. If you hear any of these sounds, especially with a check engine light, don't just guess what's wrong. You can diagnose the exact problem yourself with the Carista app and scanner. It reads the specific fault code so you know exactly what needs fixing.